What does the future of warfare look like for Pakistan? From AI-powered drones to cyber battlegrounds, the military is evolving fast. Get ready to uncover how Pakistan is preparing for wars of the future. Welcome to Historical Stories, where past lessons meet tomorrow's battles. The future of Pakistan's military in a changing world. As global dynamics shift rapidly in the 21st century, Pakistan's military stands at a crossroads, balancing traditional defense with the demands of a high-tech, unpredictable world. Long shaped by regional rivalries, internal challenges, and evolving alliances, the future of Pakistan's military is being defined by adaptation, innovation, and strategic foresight. Since its inception in 1947, Pakistan's military has played a central role in shaping the nation's politics, security, and foreign policy. However, the 21st century has brought challenges that go beyond conventional warfare. Cybersecurity threats, hybrid warfare, artificial intelligence, climate-driven disasters, and space militarization are reshaping the global defense landscape. For Pakistan to remain secure and relevant, its military must evolve accordingly. One of the most significant transformations is digital modernization. In the last decade, the Pakistan Armed Forces have steadily invested in cyber warfare capabilities, establishing specialized units within the inter-services intelligence and military cyber command structures. These units focus on protecting sensitive data, intercepting threats, and developing cyber offensive strategies. As information becomes a battlefield, control over networks and communication will be as crucial as ground dominance. Artificial intelligence is another frontier. Pakistan's collaboration with China has accelerated the integration of AI into military applications, including surveillance, decision-making algorithms, and unmanned combat systems. AI-powered drones, predictive analysis tools, and smart warfare simulations are already being tested within the armed forces. The creation of the Military Artificial Intelligence Division, MAID, in 2023 is a testament to the military's long-term AI commitment. Alongside technology, joint force integration is a key part of the military's future. Traditionally, the Army, Navy, and Air Force operated in silos. Now, integrated command systems and joint exercises are fostering interoperability. Real-time data sharing, satellite-based coordination, and unified command structures aim to create a faster and more agile response mechanism to any threat, be it foreign aggression or a terrorist insurgency. Moreover, space and satellite technology are becoming strategic priorities. In collaboration with the Space and Upper Atmosphere Research Commission, SUPARCO, the military is developing satellite communication and reconnaissance systems to enhance defense intelligence and battlefield awareness. The military's increasing interest in space surveillance shows that future wars may be fought as much above the skies as on the ground. Internally, modernization also requires reforms in training and structure. New military academies and programs are incorporating cyber defense, AI ethics, and psychological warfare into officer education. Female recruitment is expanding, particularly in technical and intelligence roles, reflecting a more inclusive vision of military strength. Geopolitically, Pakistan's military future also hinges on diplomatic balancing. As relations with China deepen, Pakistan must navigate growing US-India cooperation. Meanwhile, instability in Afghanistan, tensions in the Middle East, and evolving ties with Russia, Turkey, and Central Asia continue to affect strategic planning. However, modernization faces serious challenges. Budget constraints, political instability, and reliance on imported technology limit rapid progress. Moreover, questions about civilian oversight, transparency, and ethical use of emerging technologies remain pressing concerns. Yet, despite these obstacles, Pakistan's military continues to adapt. By learning from past wars, embracing digital innovation, and recalibrating its strategies for a changing global order, it seeks to transition from a reactive force to a predictive one. The future of Pakistan's military lies not just in stronger weapons, but in smarter systems, resilient infrastructure, and a flexible mindset. In a world where enemies may be invisible and battles may be fought with code and satellites, Pakistan's military is preparing to defend not only its borders, but its digital, ideological, and strategic sovereignty. Conclusion. In a world reshaped by technology and shifting power dynamics, Pakistan's military is moving beyond conventional defense toward a smarter, more integrated future. Through innovation, strategic alliances, and digital transformation, it aims to safeguard the nation across land, air, cyberspace, and beyond. While challenges remain, the path forward is clear: adapt, evolve, and lead in a rapidly changing world. As the battlefield changes, so does the strategy, and Pakistan's military is keeping pace. From ground to cyberspace, the journey has just begun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful stories. Stay tuned on Historical Stories for the next episode, The Evolution of Pakistan's Foreign Policy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next story.